Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Xterra versus Mitsubishi Montero. We'll explore their key differences, from their foundational design to their intended use, helping you decide which SUV best fits your adventurous lifestyle. The Xterra is known for its robust, body-on-frame construction, while the Montero often emphasizes a balance of off-road prowess and on-road comfort. When it comes to tackling tough terrain, both SUVs are well equipped. The Nissan Xterra, especially in its Pro 4X trim, boasts a robust four-wheel drive system with a locking rear differential and Bilstein shocks, making it a serious off-road contender. The Mitsubishi Montero counters with its versatile Super Select four-wheel drive 2 system, offering various drive modes and often a rear differential lock for enhanced traction. The Xterra typically has 1 to 5 inches of ground clearance, while the Montero Sport offers around 10 inches. Inside, these SUVs cater to different needs. The Nissan Xterra prioritizes utility, offering a maximum cargo space of up to 7 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. It often includes practical features like a roof-mounted storage box and tie-down anchors. The Mitsubishi Montero, particularly the Montero Sport, often provides seating for up to 7 adults and focuses on a more refined cabin experience with modern amenities and comfortable seating. When considering long-term ownership, reliability is key. The Nissan Xterra generally holds an above-average reliability rating, often scoring around 3.9 to 4.0 out of 5. Owners frequently praise its longevity, with many vehicles surpassing 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. The Mitsubishi Montero also has a reputation for being a reliable SUV, with some reports indicating low average annual repair costs. Both offer solid value in the used market for their respective strengths. Consider checking the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.